What's up guys, FixAlex here, and today I'm gonna show you how to remove door panel on this 2021 Mini Cooper. 10mm and Torx 20 to remove 4 black bolts, and they are located. One is behind the door handle, another one under your window switch. Start from the back, as you can see right here, and 2 on the bottom. And 2 on the bottom, 1 and 2. So remove the switches and then use a screwdriver or ply tool to pop it out your door panel from the clips. I'm gonna show you in a second. This is white cable, it must be here. Just remove it. As you can see there is a bunch of the clips all around the panel. Just gentle remove them. That's how you remove the door panel. If you guys need to remove window switch like me, you gotta remove the cover, you gotta remove the speaker, and then you gotta remove 10mm nut 1, 10mm nut 2, 10mm nut, and 1 Torx 30 screw, which you can access from the back of the mechanism. It's very important to remove the Torx 30 screw in order to bring the motor down. Then it's gonna be another Torx 30 and 2 13mm nuts over there, and that's how you remove your window motor. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to our channel, and see you soon. Bye.